Hi everyone, it's Shannon with Dancing Daisy Designs, and today we're outside on my back patio because we're going to be making over this plastic patio rug that I got for free. But before we get started with that, I want to mention that this video is part of a collaboration that I'm doing with a whole bunch of people, sponsored by Jamie Ray Vintage. And so after you watch this video, make sure that you click down on the link below for the collaboration list so that you can see everybody else's awesome videos. So like I said before, I got this rug for free. It was actually my mother-in-law had ordered something on Amazon and they sent her this, and I don't know if it was the wrong rug, but there was something wrong with it. And so she called them and wanted to return it, and they told her just to keep it. And so she was like, I don't need two rugs. So she called me and she was like, hey, do you want a rug? And I was like, of course I want a rug. So thank you, Sharon. And I actually haven't even looked at this rug yet. So trying to get it open, there's a lot of plastic. All right, so this is what the rug looks like. It's a big round rug and it's like creams and brown. Those are not my colors. Those don't go with what I've got going on out here. Brown is not my color out here. I've got grays and blues going on, so we need to modify this rug in order to make it the color that matches what I've got going on. So I thought, let's just be fun and let's paint the rug just like Debbie Beard with DIY paint. I saw her video. She painted her outdoor rug and some pillows and more because she wanted her decor to match her personality, and it turned out really cute. So I'm gonna give it a go here. I read out some of my colors that I think are gonna go with this. Got everything I need going on here, got a whole bunch of paintbrushes, and this is my first time doing anything like this, so I'm kind of freaked out. I hope it works. It worked for Debbie, so I mean, why not, right? So let's get started. I really don't have a plan for this at all. I'm just kind of winging it. So I think my best strategy is I'm gonna start on the outside edges. Since it has the lines on it, I feel like I can make kind of like, maybe we can go for like a starburst kind of situation. So I think I'm gonna work with these lines all around the perimeter first, and then I'm gonna start moving inward, and we'll see what we want to do with the middle. Because there's no serious pattern to follow in the middle, I'm just gonna have to make up my own. So here we go. The first color I decided to use is called Mermaid Tail, and it's this really awesome like medium blue color. I love this color so much. And you'll see me using my spray mister bottle on this rug a lot. The rug is actually, it's not like plastic like I thought it was gonna be. It's more of like a low pile rug. So it's still man-made material, but it's not just all plastic. So I'm gonna be using the spray bottle and keeping water on there. That way the paint doesn't just sit on top. It's going to actually allow the fabric to accept the pigments, more of like a dyeing effect than just like painting and having it sit on top. As you can see here, it's going down into the crevices and not just sitting on the top. That's one of the things that I absolutely love about DIY paint, is that it's highly pigmented, and because it's all natural, it doesn't have any like of the synthetic stuff in it, it really does, it can just soak down in and not sit on top and make something like this kind of like crunchy. The next color I'm using is called Salty Kiss, and this is a really nice green color, and I think it's going very well with the mermaid tail here. And so the pattern I kind of decided to go with here, like I said, this starburst, and I decided to put this lighter blue in the middle. This is Old 57, and I love this turquoise so much. And I think this pattern is working out really well, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish up the rest of the rug with that. I've got my perimeter all painted, and I think it looks so much better. I'm kind of really loving it so much. So what I think I'm gonna do, I do want to paint this one edge right here where it's lighter and darker. I still want to paint that a color. I'm just not sure which color I want to use yet. So I'm gonna paint my center first so I can see it before I make that choice. So I think what I'm gonna do in the center is I'm just gonna do a smaller circle and then a larger circle. simply because this rug is going to have a table in the middle of it. So if I try to do any fancy stuff in the middle, you're not really going to see it anyway. So I'm going to do the circles, and in order to do that, we have to find the center of our rug. So I'm just going to take my tape measure and I'm going to measure each way to find the center of the rug. And then I'm going to use just a Sharpie with a string, and I'm going to put the string in the center, and then I'm going to draw a circle. That way I get a perfect circle. This color is Bohemian Blue, and it's another one of my favorites. It's like a blue, green, peacock type of color, and I use it a lot. And I'm noticing here on this rug, because this is the darker part, it's like more of like a medium brown. I'm putting the blue over it. It's not coming out as bright as I expected it to. It's like toned down just slightly. So that's something to keep in mind when I do future projects on fabric, is that the colors might not be as bright as I expected them to be over a darker fabric. If you need any of the paint and products that you saw me use in today's video, you can find all of them at dancingdaisydesigns.com. In addition to DIY paint, I also carry Sweet Pickins Milk Paint, Iron Orchid Designs products, Jamie Ray Vintage stencils and decoupage paper, along with Undead hardware. If you haven't heard of Undead hardware yet, you are missing out. It's a brand new hardware line that's like vintage inspired and is gorgeous. I just finished painting it and I love it so much. It turned out even better than I thought it would, and it's not completely dry right now, so it looks kind of blotchy in the middle, but do you think it looks better than it did when I started? I absolutely 100% love it in my space. Now I'm just going to let it dry, and then I'm going to take a mix of Big Top, and I'm just going to water it down a little bit and put it in a mister bottle, and I'm just going to mist it with like kind of like a medium to heavy mist. Let it dry, and then I'm going to do a second misting on it just to make sure that it's sealed and none of the colors are going to bleed out when it gets wet. As you know, this is a water-based paint, and so until it's sealed, it will reactivate with water. So we don't want that to happen because it's an outdoor rug. So that's the next step, and then I will show you how wonderful it looks in my space. I decided to seal it with a brush instead of spraying it on, just so I can make sure that I get complete coverage. So this is Big Top sealer, and it's about 4 parts Big Top to 1 part water, and I did that just to ensure that it soaks in really well, and then just brushed it on the entire rug. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget that it's part of a collaboration, so go down in the description below and click on the link so that you can watch everybody else's videos too. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Every single person is very important to grow my channel and to bring you more content. If you need any of the paint and products that you saw me use in this video, they're all available at dancingdaisydesigns.com, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
The sky is blue, the sun is high, sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. To me that's alright. I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun